Nope.
Come on, Gnarly. Go, Gnarly.
Wake up!
You can't get the whole lettuce food. Pumpkin? Woo! Okay, I'm coming.
Oh, burp.
Get some!
Oh, let me get the bag.
Get some! Get some! Get some!
Okay, now you're laying on his tail.
Couple feet. You can throw them in now. You can throw them in. I wanted to... She won't do it.
Why are you pulling out his... Oh, get out of there!
Well, we'll get it.
No, Dad.
Just set it out.
Oh my God! Look at that tongue!
Dad, go!
Oh my God!
Go, Dad!
Screaming.
Go!
You like it? Oh, Mr. Goose, do you like the food?
We shouldn't be endorsing this. Oh.
I guess the kid
I love the way I look. All it takes is one
No! You heard me get that, Molly?
Oh dear!
Get up.
when it's safe to pass a stopped school bus on country road.
This is so funny.
He's good.
That's funny.
circus. And the lion act was...
Installed surveillance cameras in my bedroom. Of course, I should have been aware that the number...
Oh, here him! There